seconds of it, and all the classes are challenging, and it's amazing. I'm so glad to be back in studios after the quarantine. It was so boring and I hated the online classes, but now we're back in the studio with HDI, so thank you HDI for the opportunities and being in a room again with people.
Yeah, thank you HDI, it was amazing, especially with the social distancing as well. They've put stickers out for everyone to stand on.
I'm so glad to be back in the studios because it's my favourite place to be and I don't have to be doing online classes no more.
Thank you HDI. We had to travel 8 hours from the top of Scotland and it was so worth it.
It was really worth it. We got to learn from new choreographers, and as much as it was hard, we've learned a lot from it, so thank you.
Dancing in a socially distanced environment was actually a lot easier because you're not whacking people in their face.
You're getting more space.
Yeah.
And it's not much different because you're still hyping everyone up and supporting.
It's a great atmosphere.
Yeah.
Thank you so much HDI for providing such awesome classes and opportunities for us choreographers to teach everyone here in England.